Guys, welcome back to the channel after the weekend. Last week we have finished cementoosseous dysplasia, type of cementoosseous dysplasia and some non-specific radio opacity of jaw. Okay, today we'll be starting with Paget's disease, that is also one of the fibroosseous lesions. Okay, let's start. Paget disease, clinical presentation and pathogenesis. Condition of excessive bone resorption followed by disorganized repair. It is the condition of excessive bone resorption which is followed by disorganized repair. Etiology is unknown. Several theories has been put, out of which slow virus theory has gained support. Okay, just remember the name slow virus theory. Now coming to pathogenesis, begins with overactive osteoclasis of bone response by osteoblastic differentiation. Osteoblasts lay down haphazard bone in many direction. ओके, क्या होता है? ओवरएक्टिव ऑस्टियोक्लेसिस होता है जिसकी रिस्पॉन्स में बोन ऑस्टियोब्लास्टिक डिफ्रेंशिएशन करना स्टार्ट करता है, बट वो जो डिफ्रेंशिएशन होता है वो ठीक से नहीं होता है, इसलिए ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट जो बोन ले डाउन करते हैं वो हापाजार्ड होते हैं. इंक्रीज इन वैस्कुलरिटी टू कोप अप विद द डिमांड, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट ले डाउन कर रहे हैं बोन, तो वैस्कुलरिटी इंक्रीज होती है. द अबंडेंट ऑस्टियोइड बिकम इंक्रीजिंगली मिनरलाइज, इतना सारा ऑस्टियोइड बन गया है और वो मिनरलाइज हो जाता है, रिजल्टिंग इन अ टेंस स्क्लेरोटिक एंड स्टेज बोन दैट हैज़ रेड्यूस सेलुलरिटी एंड वैस्कुलरिटी. तो रिजल्ट जो पेजेट डिजीज का बोन होता है जो लास्टली बनता है वो होता है डेंस sclerotic and stage bone that has reduced cellularity as well as vascularity. Okay, now most symptoms occur during early and intermediate phases when bone activity and vascularity are at their peak. जो भी symptoms दिखते हैं हम लोग को early और intermediate phases पे दिखते हैं, late पे नहीं. Classically, complaint of deep bone pain is an early symptom. Deep bone pain. Now, the pagetoid bone is structurally weak, leading to bowed tibias, kyphosis, or frequent fracture of long bone, depending on the bones involved. That is bending. Okay. So, weak होता है, bowed मतलब मुड़ जाता है, kyphosis होता है, and frequent fractures. Pagets are more common in people who are older than 50 years, and men are more commonly affected than women in the ratio of 3:2. Bones commonly affected are spine, femur, skull, pelvis, sternum and jaws. Okay, now maxilla twice as mandible. Maxilla is more commonly affected or twicely affected as mandible. The patient with jaw involvement will present with expansion and deep bone pain. Deep bone is classical features of Paget disease, whether it occur in any of the long bone, but deep bone pain is a classical feature या classical complaint of patients suffering from Paget's disease. Okay. Affected area often feel warm with visibly enlarged veins or bluish hue. क्योंकि एट द स्टेज मतलब जब सिम्टम्स दिखते हैं तो वो अर्ली और इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज होता है, तब तो वैस्कुलरिटी और सेलुलरिटी पीक पे होती है, तो वी कैन सी दिस विजिबली enlarged veins or a bluish hue. Teeth will have diastema and lingual inclination because of dental compensation in response to slow expansion. So diastema and lingual inclination can be appreciated clinically. Constant lip and associated soft tissue pain, lips और soft tissue pain भी होता है. A denture wearer, classic complaint of a denture that has become too small because of expansion. Skull enlargement, और जिनमें skull enlargement होता है, headache is the most common complaint. When skull is involved, headache is the most common complaint. Neuralgia from facial pain, vertigo, facial paralysis, visual disturbance and hearing loss are also reported when skull is involved. Due to phagetic bone expansion and subsequent compression around the foramina at the base of skull or within the skull, बहुत सारे फोरामिना और वेन्स कंप्रेस होते हैं जिस वजह से ये सारे चीज़ें होती हैं. Phagetically weakened long bone may fracture pathologically and heal with phagetic bone only. Okay, that's all for today. We'll be continuing this in the next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.